Hi! In front of me is OPPO RENO 5Z, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this smartphone. You need to begin by opening Clock app. Now choose Alarm at the bottom left corner of it and tap on this green plus icon. Following that, set up an hour. When you're ready, choose Ring Once or Custom. If you wish to choose Custom, you need to click on Repeat and tap on days of the week that you wish to set up. When you're ready, click on the back button. Then click on Alarm name over here and label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to. Then click on those two switchers next to Vibrate and Snooze to disable or enable those features and click on Ringtone. Then select Allow in the pop-up. Click on Allow in this pop-up over here and tap on the best music for you. I will go with Dreamy Jazz. Then you need to go back. If you want to, you can always set up ringtone over here, but this time click on Select from Files and pick music from your device by tapping on the song that you wish to set up and going back. As you can see, I don't have any, so I will go with Weather Adaptive, go back and click on the check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, you can do that by clicking on the switcher next to it, then selecting one of those options. If you wish to turn it back on, click on the same one. If you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it, select Delete at the bottom, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. In order to adjust more alarm settings, select those three dots at the top right corner, click on Settings and manage all of them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!